Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's Market Update. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 9:49 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a good day, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. So, what an ugly close again yesterday for that daily close. Not sure if you guys are participating in the market. I'm not sure if you guys are scalping, day trading, swing traders. I think most people who listen to me are swing traders. So just to give you a little quick, actually, you don't have to do. I have to protect myself legally. I have to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is to be used for entertainment purposes only, for your fantasy paper trading. So all the money you should make is the fake monopoly money. All right. Let me start off by saying that if you are a swing trader, then you don't really have to worry about these videos too much, because ultimately I'm a bull and I think we're going to go much higher. I just look around, just look at the people who are buying, look at the institutions that are buying. I think up is more probable. And for right now, for the short term, I'm still voting to the upside. I am just looking for this contract. This contract just got liquidated this morning when I was having the video with my video call with my team. This one got liquidated. So let me go to the hourly time frame, and we just have one more that I'm looking for. I'm looking for one more contract here to get liquidated, and once we get liquidated here, I see a bounce off the 50 EMA, and then we start hitting higher. I have some good data that shows us the probability is to the upside. So here's the DCT map. Just looking back 1 week, look at this liquidation cluster that I'm telling you guys at that $64,400 area. So that's why I believe that we're going to go into that area. And do you remember, guys, in the weekend how I showed you guys that we had all those short liquidations and we blew them out, and then we flipped to the long? And we had all of these, I forgot how many billions we had. Well, look what happened. We're now, since yesterday, we've now built $4.6 billion in short liquidations. So now you start seeing the story. All right. So we had the cluster up at 64,400. Yesterday we had that. And now, since yesterday till today, these moves, this slow bleed, this slow bleed that we've had here, look, let me show you. Actually, it's better on the hourly time frame. This slow bleed here, getting everybody, oh, no, that's it. It's over. Short. They're going to come down. They're liquidating those big short contracts, those local contracts. They're probably going to play with you guys here, maybe throw some wicks here, build their long positions, trapping you into shorts, and then we're going to see the explosion to the upside. Now, keep in mind that upside is not all-time high upside. It's just this upside until proven otherwise. Right here. That's it. And we talked about a possible signature move here, and we already know that we're going to have some resistance at the 200 daily moving average. So don't get too excited. I think that we're going to do this. We're just putting in a double top in here before going down and start tackling my targets down in the $50,000 range. There's several targets along the way. One is at 56,300, 54,100, and so forth and so on. But slowly but surely, we'll get there. Now, again, like I said yesterday, let the bulls show up and let them invalidate my projection. No problem. But it has to start here. That invalidation starts here, which means that if we do go up and grab that liquidity cluster, the bulls have that. The bulls, all the bulls, you better start buying here. All the guys that are rooting for the bulls, well, don't step up. If you're a bull, you have to be buying. You can't say I'm a bull and then just I don't want to buy. I don't want to buy. Then you don't believe it. Then you don't believe in the bulls. So put your money where your mouth is, and buy. Step in. Go all in right there, because it's going all time high, right? So what do you have to lose? So if the bulls do not step up, all the people talking and saying that we're going higher, buy. If they're not buying, you'll know, because we're going to start going down. So the invalidation to my thesis of going to the $51,500 targets and possibly a sweep of 49 can get shut down right here. Right here. Now let's talk about the other side of the thesis. My thesis at the moment is that we're going to come down here. We're going to take out this contract. We're going to bounce off the 50 EMA. Now, not bounce right away like a spring, possibly consolidate, maybe a day or two, maybe today or tomorrow, and tease, like I said, like here, look, this is a perfect example. Come down and build. This is a signature move that the market makers like to do before going higher. They build their long position. Every one of these is trap shorts, trap shorts, trap shorts. They build their long position. I foresee the same thing happening here. Well, we don't know. I can't say we foresee it. Better said, I guess the better way to frame it is, if I see the same exact footprint here, then I can say, okay, yeah, it seems like we're going to trap some short positions and we're going to head higher. Okay, so now, if we do head higher, you know what the bulls need to do to prove that we're going to go higher. All right, and we talked about this upside yesterday and the day before, so there's no point in getting into it. But let me give you the flip side of that. If the market makers give this up, and actually instead of just building wicks, we actually have full candle body closes here. They start to just consolidate here. You know what that means, right? We're going down. It's one thing when we're coming from the underside and we're hitting it and we're consolidating. Let me mute this for a second. And we're consolidating from the underside. That's going to weaken this, okay? That's going to weaken this. So the probability is if we consider to consolidate, yeah, we're going to break up. When you fall underneath it and you come back to do the back test and then you consolidate, then the chances are you're going to go lower. So that's the best way to look at this area here. Where's the direction you're coming from, and where are you consolidating? Are you consolidating underneath you after you lost the support? Then it's just a quick break before the next area. The good thing is that we have the next support area right here. That's the good thing. So same thing starts all over again. Can we maintain it, and can we just put wicks so we can turn it around? Great. If not, then you guys know what is going to happen. So today there's not much that happened yesterday. I mean, look at this. Look at this shadow, this wick left behind. But you know what was nice about yesterday, guys? On this candle here, I had eight trades and 0 losses, but there were really 6 wins, and the other 2 were pushes. There were very small amounts that were in green right here. Yesterday, I had 6 trades. 3 of them were in positive, and 3 of them were pushes. One was 0.84. So anything below 1%, I'm going to call it a push. But we had 3 pushes, 3 nice wins, 0 losses. And my members didn't have to do anything. They just copy trade me. That's it. They join my $25 a month. I give them all the details where to copy trade. They fund the account. They set it and forget it. They don't even look at the chart. They just know that BC, those people trust me. So if you don't trust that I know what I'm talking about, don't do it. You have to. If you're going to put money, you have to trust them. So those people said, yeah, I have faith in BC. He's shown me already in the time that I've been in his Telegram group for 3 months. He's proved that he knows what he's talking about. But now, instead of him having to call it out and them having to be on my beck and call, because we don't know when the trades are going to happen, they don't have to worry about it. They can go live their lives, they work, whatever they have to do. And every day they show up to their account and they look at their balance, and it's a little bigger and a little bigger and a little bigger. And that costs them $25. So if that is something that appeals to you and you can afford $25, try it out. It's month to month, guys. You're not committed to anything. You don't like it, you get out. But you cannot see the comments that I retweet from my members and think that everyone is lying. You can't be that stupid. Try it out. See what you think. Set it and forget it. Copy trade. Now, the copy trade is only available. So if you send me a DM, like many people have, ABC, what exchange do you use? I'm not going to fucking tell you that. You want to know that? You pay up. I don't care your problems. Fuck you, pay me. From that movie, I think Goodfellas? Same shit. That's how I operate. Fuck you, pay me. I don't want to hear your sob story. You want in? You pay. Simple as that. So, the website address, like I mentioned before, It's right here, bctgsignal.com, or send me a DM on Twitter, and I will send you a link. And then once you join, I give you all the information that you need to do for the copy trade. So you just set it and forget it, and you allow my neurotic workaholic ass to make you money. I work, guys. I'm up at 4. I'm starting my calls at 4:30 in the morning, and I sign out at 8 o'clock at night, pretty much every single day, every day. Just to give you an idea of my schedule. So, and again, I have all these people that are following me, that are my members, that are listening to this market update. They can't, none of them can say, "Oh, that's not true." I have the good thing is that everything I post is timestamped. You see the timestamps at 4. If you're in my same time zone, Pacific Standard Time, you'll see the timestamps at 4:46, 4:30 in the morning, and then my signouts at 8:09 p.m. So it's not like I can bullshit you. All right, guys. So just wait for this. Wait for this direction here, guys. That's all you have to do. Just go to the hourly time frame. Come in here and wait. Look at the behavior here. The behavior here is going to speak volumes. Because imagine, guys, a consolidation up here is very, very different than a consolidation down here. That little line, this little line, separates the bulls and the bears. And we can have the same pattern, but just by moving over a couple $100, not even that, moving $100 makes all the difference. Stay tuned for tomorrow's market update, and let's see if the bulls were able to hold this line and start moving up higher, or do we spend another day consolidating above or below? I don't know what's going to happen. You and I are both going to find out at the exact same time when our alerts go off. It's just a matter of understanding the significance behind a consolidation above here and a consolidation below here. Everyone have a really good day, and I'll talk to you guys later.